If Grammarly is not underlining spelling mistakes, or if the widget is not appearing at all, this quick fix can help. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common steps to get Grammarly working again in your browser, including clearing Grammarly site data and disabling extensions that may be blocking it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the first fix. Open your browser and go to chrome://settings/content. This page lets you manage site permissions and stored data, and it's often the fastest place to reset anything Grammarly related that may be causing a problem. Once the page opens, look for the option that says View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click that to see a full list of site data saved in your browser. Now take a moment to look for any entries related to Grammarly. If Grammarly has stored permissions or cached data that has become corrupted, it can stop the extension from working correctly. Next to each Grammarly-related entry, click the trash can icon to remove it. This clears the saved data and resets Grammarly's site permissions, which often fixes problems like missing underlines, failed sign-ins, or a widget that refuses to load. After clearing the Grammarly data, the next step is to check for conflicting extensions, sometimes ad blockers, VPNs, privacy tools, or even other writing assistants can interfere with Grammarly's browser behavior. To review your extensions in Chrome, type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. This opens the full list of installed browser extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, look carefully through the list. If you see any ad blockers, VPNs, script blockers, or privacy-related extensions, toggle them off temporarily. You do not always need to delete them completely, but disabling them for a moment helps you test whether one of them is preventing Grammarly from loading or detecting mistakes. After turning them off, go back to the site where Grammarly was having trouble and check whether the underlines and widget are working again. If Grammarly starts working after disabling one of those extensions, then you found the conflict. At that point, you can leave the conflicting extension turned off on writing sites, adjust its settings, or keep Grammarly as the priority tool for proofreading. If the problem is still there, you may want to refresh the page, sign out and back into Grammarly, or restart your browser after making these changes. The key idea here is that Grammarly issues are often caused by either broken site data or browser extensions interfering with normal page behavior. Clearing permissions and data gives Grammarly a clean start, and disabling conflicting extensions helps remove anything blocking its scripts from running. Together, these two steps solve a lot of common spelling and underlining problems without needing a complicated reinstall. So to recap, first open chrome://settings/content, then choose View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites, remove all Grammarly-related entries using the trash can icon, and then go to chrome://extensions to disable any conflicting extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy tools. That's the fastest way to fix Grammarly spelling errors when the widget is missing or the underlines are not showing up. If this video helped you fix Grammarly, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, browser fixes, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.